Hey everyone, James Baker here. I just did an expert interview, and this is a clip from the interview. I'm speaking with different experts from all over the world to understand questions about how my clients are taxed when they go into their country and how their clients, people from that country, are taxed when they have U.S. companies. And this is the kind of thing we're talking about on these interviews. If you want to see all of the clips from this interview, you can go. There should be a playlist on the channel. And if you want to see more interviews like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you have someone you'd like me to interview, a tax expert from your country, so you can learn more about it, send me an introduction email. I'd love to meet them and interview them. Okay, thanks for being here, and let's go to the clip. How
Sure.
do you recommend? How would you recommend if an American has rental property in Mexico? How should they deal with that from a tax perspective in Mexico? Because it's like you have a house in Acapulco, and you're renting it, and you're doing it on Airbnb. How is that working right now?
If me as a lawyer, I would recommend it to create a company, a Mexican company, with them as foreigners. They could be the shareholders, and the company will be submitted to the tax, not you as a physical person.
Okay, so the company pays taxes, and then if you're an American, in that perspective, you have a foreign corporation
Exactly.
that you're a shareholder of, and there's different things we can do for planning for that. Um, but yeah, I think I would probably recommend the same thing. I mean, it's you want to keep it separate. And how are the taxes in that situation? Like, what taxes would they pay? How would they take the profits out of their company? Because I know as recently as like 2 years ago, people were just renting on Airbnb and paying no taxes in Mexico, and then they changed the law and they got really aggressive with it, and now it's different for everyone. So how do people get their money out? How much taxes are they paying?
Yeah.
Can you elaborate more on that?
For example, in that situation of the living, that will be depending the where is the real estate, because as I told you, the real estate is more local situation. The only thing that you will pay federal will be the income tax, and that's why I recommend to create a company, because the company pays the income tax, and the dividends doesn't pay income tax because the dividends will be sent to abroad.
Okay, so great. So if an American has a company in Mexico, you're paying the regular corporate income tax, which is fine, and then the dividends you're going to pay taxes on personally. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and I want to share some things I have to offer you. If you're looking for help expanding to the US or fixing a tax problem, the quickest way to contact us is to schedule a free call in the description below or at visiting jamesbakercpa.com/schedule. If you want to skip the line and speak with me directly, there's also a link in the description to schedule a call with me, which is another great option. I encourage you to join our Telegram and Discord groups, because in there we're announcing when I'm going live. I'm participating. I'm answering questions in real time. It's all free, and it's a quick community to engage with other entrepreneurs and people like yourself who are international and learning about this stuff. And I think it's a really valuable place to be in. At the end of the day, if you just subscribe and see me on the next video, that works too. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.